Editing files in Microsoft Teams is straightforward and allows for real-time collaboration with your team members. Here's how to do it. 1. Open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the file. Go to the relevant channel or chat where the file is shared. Click on the Files tab at the top of the channel or chat window to see all files shared in that space. 2. Open the file. Click on the file you want to edit. Microsoft Teams supports several file types, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF files. Once clicked, the file will open within Teams by default. 3. Edit the file. Once the file opens, you'll see options for editing at the top, such as Open in Desktop app, Edit in Teams, or Open in Browser. Edit in Teams. Directly edit the file within Microsoft Teams. Open in Browser. This will open the file in the online version of the corresponding Office app, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Open in Desktop app. This opens the file in the desktop version of the app, if installed on your computer. Click your preferred editing option to start making changes. 4. Collaborate in real time. When editing in Teams or online, multiple people can work on the file at the same time. Changes will be saved automatically, and you'll see other users' updates in real time. 5. Save changes. Microsoft Teams automatically saves edits made in real time, so there's no need to manually save. If you're using the desktop app, make sure to save your changes as you would normally in that application. 6. Close the file. Once finished, close the file. If you need to add any comments or notify team members of the update, you can use the conversation panel within the Files tab in Teams. By following these steps, you and your team can easily collaborate and edit shared files in Microsoft Teams, creating a seamless workflow for document management.